This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the Xbox Series X and unplug every cable, then wait 5 to 10 minutes so internal boards are safe. Lay the console on a soft, flat surface with ventilation facing away. This prevents scratches and gives you room to work. Once done, use a Torx T8 and a plastic pry tool, magnetize or use a tray for screws. You're ready to remove the base clip. Work deliberately and keep small parts contained. This prevents lost pieces and accidental damage. Now you remove the bottom cover. Find the 4 feet or hidden screws and remove them carefully. Labels may conceal one screw, so peel slowly. Once screws are out, insert your plastic spudger into the seam and pry gently. Apply steady, even pressure and move around the perimeter to release retention clips. Make sure to separate clips one by one. If a ribbon or grounding clip appears, pause and disconnect it before lifting the cover fully. This prevents tearing delicate connectors and keeps internals. To finish, reverse the steps. Reconnect any ribbon or grounding clip, lower the base evenly, and reinstall screws or feet. Tighten snugly without over-tightening. Once reassembled, plug in and test power and fan behavior. If the base resists seating, stop and inspect for a missed screw or trapped cable. Forcing can break clips. If the console won't power or makes unusual noise, open again, reseat connectors, and confirm the grounding clip contacts metal surfaces. This usually resolves common post-reassembly issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.